Hi guys, welcome back to your channel. I'm back with yet another beautiful story from the Zimbabwean president. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more and to hit that notification button. Okay, so His Excellency President Mnangagwa bragged about the country's power utility Zesa, saying they have more watts than the neighboring South Africa's Eskom and no longer have load shedding. Zimbabwe has invested in solar projects, and there's also thermal station expansions and renovations in Hwange, plus more output from Karipa. So the output has doubled from 600 megawatts to 1,500, and this will ensure smooth running of businesses and more production output. Industries had moved off-grid because they wanted to share my generator and it was costly. This also made the produced goods and services to be more expensive, and inflation was inevitable. So my prices kept on going up and up and up because the production cost was also high. However, it is important to note that the completion came after 43 years because this project started during the dawn of independence. This was caused by corruption, and billions of dollars were missing. Some people like Chivayo rose to prominence by getting these government tenders and not delivering, then buying themselves exclusive cars, and recently I heard Kuti akatotenga jet, as well as flaunt his riches on social media. How many more benefited that are not on social media? People are flying private, guys. So the Second Republic has worked hard in the renovation of the Bedbridge border post, the Chinese built parliament, the road from Bedbridge to Harare, and the airport, as well as the power utility. So the question stands, are they committed to change, or it is just a campaign strategy? If food for thought is what you say, please don't forget to subscribe and to hit the notification button for more.